Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this double V-stitch stripes triangle. It is very easy to make if you know how to make the cluster V-stitch or not. I'm going to show you step by step. Also later on I'll show you how to make the chain. So this bandana is made from bottom up. It starts small and then it gets wider and bigger as you go further. It's made of 18 rows. Then I have chain 30 for each stripe or for each strap, and that's it. It's very simple, very quick to make. If you want to know how to achieve it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic. You can use medium worsted cotton or any fiber you like, and 6mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away. I'm gonna make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 incomplete double crochet joined together into the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through and hold, yarn over again, insert the hook into the chain, pull through. You've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's the first half of the cluster. Chain 1 and repeat the same. 2 incomplete, half double crochet, 3 loops, pull through. This is my first cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna chain 3, and now what I'm gonna do, I've got the chain 1 space of my cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches in this chain 1 space. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, pull through all, chain 1 and repeat the same. This is 1 cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna make another cluster V-stitch in the same space. Oops. Oh. And pull through all. Now this is my second row and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet into the initial chain 3 space. This is row 2. I'm gonna go on to the next row, chain 3 again, okay. Now I've got 2 clusters, and chain 1 spaces, so 1 here, 1 here. So throughout the rows, what I'm gonna do, start with chain 3 and into the chain 1 space of the previous cluster I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches, and then in the next chain 1 spaces, whether 1, 2 or 3, I'm gonna make 1 cluster V-stitch and end the row with a double crochet. So I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitch in the first chain 1 space, this is 1 and 1 more. So I've got another video on how to make the triangle using the cluster V-stitch. stripes. You might want to have a look at that if you think this is fast. And one cluster V-stitch in the chain one space. And one double crochet at the end of the row again. This is how it looks so far. I'm gonna do one more row, 1, 2, 3, and again 2 cluster V stitches in the first chain one space. And I've got 2 chain ones here. I'm gonna make 1 cluster in each cluster V stitch. So this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna continue for the next 18 rows total, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. So here I have completed 18 rows of the striped cluster V-stitch, striped cluster V-stitch, and now we're gonna go to the next step. So this is my last stitch over here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna chain 30, or you can chain more if you wish, depends how long you want the straps to be. So 1, 2, 3. This 30 chains. Again, I'm gonna come back and slip stitch into each chain. Oops. So into the chain and pull through. Slip stitch till I'm back to where I started. Okay. Here are my 2 last chains, 1 and 2, and here I'm back to the initial triangle bandana. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna single crochet, I'm gonna continue slip stitching until this end, where I'm gonna chain 30 again, and after 30 I'll slip stitch back to this point. So where is the thread? Okay, so into the next stitches I'm gonna slip stitch. You can make a single crochet if you wish, if you prefer it that way, but slip stitching is better for me. So and slip stitch into this chain, and again I'm gonna make 30 chains. So okay, and same thing, I'm gonna slip stitch back. So this is the last one, and fasten off and cut the yarn. Okay, now I can hide the yarn into the stitches. And this is how it looks like at the end. Perfect summer bandana with a nice stitch, the cluster V-stitch. Easy to make and very quick, 1 to 2 hours, and you'll have your bandana ready. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.